Have you ever noticed your lips feeling dry, dull, or darker than usual? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing some easy homemade lip scrub recipes that you can make using simple ingredients found at home. These scrubs help remove dead skin, soften your lips, and bring back a natural pink glow. Let's get started. Why lip scrubbing is important. Our lips are very delicate and don't have oil glands like the rest of our skin. This makes them more prone to dryness, flakiness, and pigmentation. Regular lip scrubbing helps remove dead skin, improve blood circulation, make lips softer and smoother, help lip balms work better. Recipe 1. Sugar, honey, and coconut oil scrub. For this recipe, we only need 3 simple ingredients. Take 1 teaspoon of sugar, add 1 teaspoon of honey, and then mix in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix everything well until combined. Gently massage this scrub onto your lips in circular motions for about 30 seconds, then rinse off. This scrub exfoliates dry skin while deeply moisturizing the lips, leaving them soft, smooth, and naturally pink. Recipe 2. Sugar and honey scrub. For the second recipe, mix sugar with a small amount of honey. This is a very gentle scrub, perfect for sensitive lips. Sugar removes dead skin, while honey locks in moisture and soothes dryness. Use this scrub once or twice a week for best results. Recipe 3. Turmeric and honey scrub. For this recipe, take 1 teaspoon of sugar, add a pinch of turmeric, and mix in enough honey to form a smooth paste. This scrub gently exfoliates and helps brighten lip tone. Honey keeps lips hydrated, while turmeric supports a natural glow. Apply gently and rinse off after scrubbing. Recipe 4. Warm compress and sugar scrub. Start by placing a warm compress on your lips for about 1 minute. This helps soften the skin. Next, apply a generous layer of Vaseline, add a little sugar, and gently scrub your lips. After scrubbing, leave it on for 3 minutes, then wipe it off and apply your favorite lip balm. This method leaves your lips extremely soft and smooth. How often to use lip scrubs? Use lip scrubs 1 to 2 times a week only. Over-scrubbing can make lips sensitive and dry. Always apply a lip balm after scrubbing. What to avoid? Avoid scrubbing too hard. Don't lick your lips after exfoliation. Never scrub cracked or bleeding lips. Always remove lipstick before using a scrub. These homemade lip scrubs are easy, natural, and very effective when used regularly. With just a little care, you can achieve soft, smooth, and naturally pink lips at home. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.